What I love about design is the artistic and scientific complexity that also becomes useful. A laptop, a bridge, an outfit, a garden, all drawn from 1,000 wells of inspiration and yet grounded in the basic principles of math or science.
George W. Bush took up painting after he left office, which inspired me to take up my own artistic.
He founded and served as artistic director of the Alvin Ailey American Dance Theater, renowned worldwide for its soulful virtuoso performances, including the beloved American masterpiece, Revelations.